Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with roof ladder, full body paint, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, double slides, a backup camera, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, remote heated driver and passenger mirrors, digital TV antenna, solar power prep, frameless windows, generator, LED exterior lighting, outside shower, side and rear cameras, water heater bypass, automatic levelers, stainless double kitchen sink, fire extinguisher, smoke detector, LP leak detector, decorative kitchen backsplash, flush mount gas range cover, bedroom dresser, USB charging station, console cup holders, flip up counter, U-shaped dinette, battery disconnect, cab over TV set. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.